Mullen Automotive is in the spotlight, and it's not all smooth driving. With Nasdaq's delisting looming and the stock price teetering, what's the next turn for this EV player? Stay tuned as we delve into the financial maze and reveal a potential price target for Mullen stock. Okay, let's take a look at the news. Mullen Automotive, a name that's been buzzing in the electric vehicle sector, is currently facing a significant challenge. Nasdaq has sent Mullen a notice of delisting, which could come into effect as early as September 15th. The primary reason? Mullen's share price has failed to maintain a position above the $1 mark. However, Mullen isn't taking this lying down. The management, in a bid to counteract this decision, is appealing to the Nasdaq listing qualifications panel. Their hope is to gain an extension, possibly up to 180 days, to bring Mullen's share price back into compliance. Earlier this year, the Nasdaq exchange had already given Mullen a 6-month window to ensure their share price remained above the $1 threshold. But instead of adhering immediately, CEO David Mishiri took a bold move. He diluted the stock by about 10x, raising over $200 million to bolster Mullen's production ramp-up. This decision, while strategic, saw the Mullen stock price plummet to a mere 11 cents. To counteract this, a 1-for-9 reverse stock split was initiated, pushing the share price back to the $1 mark, just in time to meet Nasdaq's requirements. However, this isn't Mullen's first rodeo with reverse stock splits. Earlier in May, the company had executed a 1-for-25 reverse split, elevating its share price from 6 cents to approximately $1.50. The big question now is whether the Nasdaq listing qualifications panel will grant Mullen the extension they're seeking. While they have the authority to provide up to an additional 180 days for compliance, they can also impose stricter criteria or even delist the stock. The outcome remains uncertain. Now, focusing on the trading session for September 12, 2023. Keep a close eye on these surge signals, upwards at 48 cents, 51 cents, and 54 cents, and downwards at 42 cents, 39 cents, and 36 cents. What do these numbers signify? If Mullen's stock price surpasses 54 cents, it could be an indication of a bullish trend. On the flip side, dropping below 36 cents might hint at a bearish trajectory. These signals serve as pivotal markers for traders, offering insights into potential stock movement directions. That wraps up our deep dive into Mullen Automotive's current financial landscape. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to hit that like button. New here? Subscribe for more in-depth stock analyses. Once you've done that, drop a subscribe comment below, and we'll make sure to engage with you. Before we sign off, here's a question for you. Given Mullen's current challenges, where do you envision their stock heading in the next month? Share your predictions in the comments, and let's get the conversation rolling.